Good morning. With the brand of wine that I drink, their motto is the twist off cap is our symbol of freshness. But I understand that there are other types of wine, and some of them are actually quite snooty. My name is Don Martin, and I am with thereasonablerealtor.com. That's thereasonablerealtor.com. It is a website. It is one that is waiting for you to just check out. I appreciate it. I want to draw your attention today to an article that's named Tips on Storing Wine at Home. Actually, there are some things to look out for. There are things like the temperature of the wine, actually, the position that you use to store the wine in, not that you use, but that you had the wine sitting in, the moisture. There are things to consider that a lot of people just don't think of when they buy their twist off top wine. So I thought I would open a whole new world for you. If you will, I have put the link right down here in the comment section to make it easy on you to go to the article. It's a short article. It won't be too taxing. It won't take you too long. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you going to the website and reading it. If you get a chance, there is a little red square over here that will allow you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. That would be great. I would like that a lot. I'd love it if you'd make a comment right down here below if you have one. If you don't have one, don't just write a series of V's or X's or something like that. That'll be hard for me to answer, but I will answer normal conversational type remarks as quickly as I can. If you do get a chance, watch this video all the way to the end. That's where you'll receive your surprise. And the primary thing that I want you to do is to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't like the video, just don't do anything. How about that? Fair? Thanks. See you tomorrow.